may want to add more text than the area provided for entering text. The text box tool present on the Insert tab allows you to add more text to your slide. Text box is a placeholder where you can enter and manipulate text. You can move the text box along with its contents anywhere on the slide. Click on the New Slide button in the Slides group on the Home tab. Enter the title, Activities of the Month. Click on the Click to Add Subtitle placeholder in slide. Type Judo Championship, Cricket Match, Volleyball, Chess as shown in the figure. Select the Text Box tool in the Text group on the Insert tab. Hold down the left mouse button while dragging the mouse diagonally towards the right and release the mouse button. You will get a rectangular box with the cursor inside it. Enter the text January. Students, note that if the text is long, it automatically adjusts and shifts the text to the next line, keeping the box area in view. Students, note that if text box appears in the Slides pane of Normal View or on the Slides tab, but not in the Outline tab. Now let us talk about inserting clip art. The clip art feature is used to add pictures in the slides. You can add clip art images to the existing slides to enhance their appearance. Place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. Select the Insert tab. Click on the Clip Art button in the Images group. The Clip Art task pane is displayed on the right side of the window. Type the search keyword in the Search for text box. For example, type computer in the Search for text box and click on the Go button. It will display the list of clip art images related to computer. Click the down arrow next to the picture to be added and click on the Insert button. The selected clip art is inserted in the center of the slide. You can resize or change the location of clip art according to the requirement. Students, now let us talk about inserting shapes. Shapes is a drawing feature that helps in inserting different shapes into a slide. The inserted shapes can also be resized, rotated, flipped, and colored. Click on the Shapes button in the Illustrations group on the Insert tab. A pop-up menu will display options like lines, rectangles, flowchart, etc. Point to the basic shapes and move the pointer to select smiley face and click on it. The pointer changes to sign. Place the pointer on the slide. Click and drag it to adjust the size of the selected object or shape. Now let me share a tip with you that to insert text in a shape, select a shape, right-click on it and select the Edit Text option. The insertion point appears inside the shape and you can type text. To remove any shape, select it and press the Delete key. Students know the fact that to fill color in a shape object, select any shape object. Click on the Shape Fill button in the Drawing group on the Home tab. Click any color of your choice and see the change. Students, can you tell me what is the function of Text Box tool? Now let us talk about rotating a picture, shape, text or object. Click on the picture, shape, word art or text box that you want to rotate. Bring the pointer over the rotation handle. The pointer will change to rotation handle. Drag the mouse in the direction you want to rotate the shape. Let me share some tips with you. To rotate a picture using the predefined options. Select the shape. Click on the Format tab. In the Arrange group, select the Rotate button. Choose the desired rotation option from the drop-down menu. Students note that predefined rotation options are also available on the Home tab. Select the Home tab, then go to Drawing Group, then go to Arrange button, then go to Rotate option. Students note the fact that you can select more than one shape objects by holding the Shift key and clicking on the required object. Now let us understand how to resize a picture, shape, text or object. Resizing stretches or shrinks the dimension of an object. To increase or decrease the size of an object, select the object. Bring the pointer to any of the 8 resizing handles on the selected object. When the pointer changes to a double-headed arrow, drag the handle inward to decrease and outward to increase the size of a shape. If you want to resize the object by keeping the center of an object in the same place, then hold down the Control key as you drag. Now let me tell you how to use shadow effects. In addition to adding textures and colors, you can apply shadow effects to any shape. It will make the shape impressive in appearance. Select any shape object. Click on the Shape Effects button in the Drawing Group on the Home tab. Select the Shadow option from the drop-down menu. Click on the Offset Center in Outer sub-option. The object will appear with a shadow. Alright, students, know that using Format tab you can also apply shadow effects. Click on the Format tab, then go to Shape Styles group, then go to Shape Effects button, then go to Shadow option. It's time to note some important tips. To have different shadow colors, select the Shadow option from the Shape Effects drop-down menu. Select the Shadow option from the Cascading menu. The Format Shape dialog box appears. Now define the desired color and click on Close. Similarly, you can work with 3D rotation option present on the Shape Effects drop-down menu. Students know that by pressing Ctrl+P key combination to print the slides of a presentation. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. A slide layout can be modified either in normal view or slide sorter view. Text box is a placeholder where text can be inserted and manipulated. The clip art feature is used to add pictures in slides. Word art feature helps to create special text effects. Shapes is a drawing feature that helps to insert different shapes like stars, banners, flowcharts, callouts, etc. To insert text in a shape, right-click on it and select the Edit Text option from the Shortcut menu.